Today, we're learning how to add a vignette effect to your videos. This effect helps draw attention to the subject by darkening or brightening the edges of your frame, giving your video a more cinematic and polished look. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline and select the clip you want to apply the vignette effect to. Now, go to the right side editing panel and navigate to the color tab. Under the basic section, scroll down to the bottom until you find the vignette option. Enable the vignette effect and you'll see different sliders for us to customize. Use the amount slider to control the intensity. Drag it to the left for a black vignette or to the right for a white vignette. To refine the effect, adjust the size, roundness, and feather sliders. Increasing the feathering makes the vignette softer and more natural, while adjusting the exposure and highlight sliders lets you fine-tune the overall brightness. Once you are happy with the effect, preview your video to see how it looks. And that's it. You've successfully added a vignette in Filmora. This simple effect can add depth and focus to your videos. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Filmora editing tips.